guys, it's me. I'm here to show you two junk journals. And I'm going to call them A and I'm going to call them B. And they're both made with Ephemera's Vintage Garden, the Enchanted Rose. They're the 4x6 version. Okay, so this is A. That was easy. A has a elastic closure, and on the closure is like just some junk tied, and it has some lace that goes down the spine, and you open it and it has tucked inside here. Oh, first, these are made with bags, like lunch bags. This is what's tucked inside, and it has like two tuck pockets. This one is a little harder to tuck into. I don't really know why, but I think because it's thinner, I'm guessing. And it has some lace that goes here, and this is the lace that I complained about on Facebook. The Stampin' Up! Lace, always be sure that you look at the size, because this is 1/4 of an inch. It's really thin, but I used it, see? And this butterfly is part of the kit, and this is just a little lace flower and some frou-frou yarn. And again, part of the kit. Wow. Came out of there easy. And this is just a piece of paper, and it is punched with my new punch. That perforated like what is it? Like a postage stamp. The edge, I liked it so much. And that's part of the kit, and it's just tucked into the little belly band I made with some scraps. Has some lace and some, bling. It's pretty. And then this card is, so cute. I don't know if everything in here comes from Ephemera's Vintage Garden, the Enchanted Rose kit. I'm not positive, but it's all in here. So I don't know where absolutely everything comes from. This is just a piece of music paper and some lace and some flatback pearls. It's just a little spot to write. I don't think that comes in the kit. And just, isn't that cute? I don't know if everything does, so don't say, oh, that wasn't in that kit. I'm sorry if it's not. But that is just a butterfly tag, and it's got a paper clip and some sari ribbon, sari silk, sari trim, I don't know. Here, this is part of the kit, and it's right there. And this is some paper. This paper comes from Hobby Lobby. And I just found that somewhere in my junk, so I stuck it in there. Isn't that pretty? I love that color. And this just, this is really a pocket. This is part of the kit. It's really pretty. And I put it on some, a sewing pattern that I scanned. And I think all the paper clips have that sari trim on them. And there's some of that cheater bling I got at the Dollar Tree, and some ribbon. Isn't she pretty? So pretty. So elegant. And the doily that has to be there. This is part of the kit, and this is just piece of scrap paper. So I made a little tuck spot there. Another paper clip with the sari trim, and another one of those what are they called, library cards, and you can write on the back. It has some lines, and that's so pretty. That is so pretty too. Now I printed it and ran out of ink, and so that's why some of them are purple. And then I went back and I printed them again, but I kind of liked the purple. I couldn't decide. Maybe I will just go ahead and put some ink around this, and I will tuck it behind it. And if you decide that you like the, well, oh, you could have it that way. Or you could have it this way. I like this way with the rugged edge. So let me finish inking that one up. And I will just tuck it in behind it, and if you want to put it over the top, you can just glue it. It'll be real easy. Okay. More sari silk on that paper clip. This page got purple too. Isn't that so cute? This does not come in the Enchanted Rose kit. These are still from Ephemera's Vintage Garden, but I think they're called Shabby Birdie. Not 100% certain, but they are so cute. And they got lines on the back so you can write. Or you could just pull them out completely and like decorate them and use them in something that you make. Isn't that paper so pretty? I love it. And there are some paper covered butterflies. You know, not paper covered, just punched out butterflies in the center. Here's another one of those pretty postcards. And lines on the back to journal. This is just tissue paper. And you can write on the back of this also. Got a little bling. And that one is just a Tim Holtz safety pin thingy. I don't remember what they're called. And it's got a butterfly stuck in it. And this is also a pocket. So you can journal, and they're just pieces of paper shoved in there. I like that dress. Pretty. The butterfly paper. And then this. It is a really pretty kit. And it's small. Makes a small one. This is just a pocket, and it has some ribbon and a flower and a butterfly and some, you know, that yarn. It has a name, but I can't think of it. Okay, so I was watching a YouTuber, and this pulls out like this, and it has a tag tucked into it, and it's just an envelope. And so then here's another envelope back here to make that pocket, because you wouldn't have a pocket back there if I didn't add that. Let me go back here. Then these are also envelopes, and I just cut them down so that they would stagger in size, and that they would also be a place you could put a tag or whatever. That pocket would have two purposes. So that is the end of A, and this just goes right back on. No rhyme, no reason, just goes on. So that is that one, A. So this is the same kit, but looks different. And this is B. So A or B. And it is closed with some sari silk ribbon. And I love this color. So pretty. Okay, so this one is a little different, not a lot, but a little. The pocket is in the front on this one, and it has just some stuff. Feels like there's something else. I don't think so. So there's a tag in there, and then on the outside there's also a tag, the same color. I made sure all the tags were the same color. They're cut out with a Tim Holtz die. They're real pretty. They have a little faux stitching that goes around them. All the tags do. And I did not distress them, because maybe you want to take them out and use them in something else, or put photos on them. And so then this pocket has some lace, and some of that skinny lace. And then over here, this is like a, what do they call this? I can't remember. I don't know. Anyhow, you could like tape things to it, or write, or whatever you want to do. But it has some lace, and I just got these today. Cool. Okay, so more of the music paper, and it just has some stuff tucked in it. And this is strung pearls. Like, I have it sealed off over here, but if you were to break this, they're strung pearls and they'll go everywhere. So I'm just warning you. This has a little journal spot tucked into it. You could pull that off and journal back and front. And one of those really pretty rose cards. And more of the tissue paper in this one. And that elegant lady again, so pretty. And another pocket from the kit, and it has the card printed on the back, and it has more of this, little different, but it came with my sari silk, so I'm going to assume it's still sari silk, but a little different ribbon. And there's that dress again. It has some stuff tucked in there you can journal on the back of. They're real pretty. And the doily, and this is a yellow library card. Of course, everything has the sari silk on the end of it. This one just is another piece of leftover paper, and it's tucked in there for journaling. Isn't this beautiful? So pretty. It is a really pretty kit. And this one just is not purple. It is the color it is supposed to be, and it's just secured onto this card, and then it has some pearls and lace and frou-frou yarn, and it's stuck on there like a little bird's nest. And behind here is tucked another one of those beautiful postcards, and you can journal on the back. And this one has some butterflies in here also. This page is not from the kit. The center page, it's not. It was laying on my desk, and so I just decided to use it because it matched. So this is another pocket from the kit, and it has the lace on it, and it has a card that I made in it. Isn't that cute? I made that in Paint Shop Pro, and I didn't really like. It's cute. It's really easy to design in Paint Shop Pro. And in here is another one of those pretty postcards. You can write on the back. Isn't that so pretty? She has so much talent. And another one of the pockets with some stuff tucked in. I really got to do this, or I will forget and it will bug me. Let me just punch that. There. That's paper. It is so pretty. So pretty. And this is just a little pocket on more of that Hobby Lobby paper. And it looks like that. There's some lace and purple yarn and a butterfly and a ticket. And inside there is that. So cute. You can write on the back. And then this one is just the other side of everything. I love that. It came from Darla when she mailed out my, what do you call it again? Paparazzi jewelry. She put it in there. So I saved it and used it. There is another one of the pretty little birdie postcards with some more sari trim. And just some random stuff that was left over. Gosh. I don't usually forget that many. Just random stuff that was left. I don't remember where I got those, but they didn't come in this kit. But I want to use them up. And that is just some lace and frou-frou trim and a butterfly. Okay, so this is what I saw another YouTuber do, and I can't remember her name, but if I remember, I'll put it down below. And she made this like fold-out thing with an envelope, and so I just put it in here like this. And again, there's tags in all of them. Isn't that so pretty? I love that butterfly. It's part of the kit. And that's it. And this is the back of the bag. And there's two pockets, and it has two postcards tucked in, and another one of those that makes a pocket, and this pulls out. That's it. The other side of this pocket configuration with the envelopes is up here, and they call it a dashboard. That's what it's called. So that piece is here. And so I just folded a piece of paper and put it over it. And so I made a little dashboard. And you can like put post-it notes or whatever you want to put right there. You could just write on that page. Okay guys, so this is B. And it just ties back up with the sari silk. And I have a couple more I have to list. And so I think I'm going to make videos of those, and I'm just going to load them all up into my store at the same time. That's what I'm going to do. Okay guys, I'll see you guys next time. Have a great week. Bye guys.